There are different kinds of muhasba that we can do. One is that we do muhasba, or we do an audit or keep an account of the actions that we are about to do. So muhasba before the action. What does that mean? That means that before we are about to do anything, we stop and we ask ourselves, what is my reason for doing this thing? What am I going to get out of this thing? Who am I doing this action for? Is this action in line with what Allah has permitted? Is this action asking or going to make me compromise on any of the things that Allah has forbidden? Would it affect my salah? Will I miss out my jamaat? Will it make me look at things which I'm not supposed to look at? Would it make me be in an environment where there's mixed gathering? Will I be in an environment where there's no rahmat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which is deprived? In fact, it's an environment of masiyat where there's curse of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala coming down on. Where am I heading? What am I about to do? What will it lead to? What effect it would have on me? So do an audit before you do an action. And if the answers that are coming is that there is no khair in it, there's nothing that you will get from it which will benefit you in your akhirah, then you're better off not doing that. Mind you, that this does not mean that, for example, if you are an industrialist and now you are making, say, electric bulbs. Now these bulbs, whichever house they would go in, they would, light up that house. Or you are making heaters, which in winters would be very beneficial for people. They'll help keep them warm. Now this thing, if your niyat is to that I'm doing this so that it can help people, and even if you end up making a lot of money by selling these heaters, you would still get the benefit of for akhirah as well, because your intention in that was that you want to help people, right? So that's why I always think that, the person who invented the electric bulb, if he was a person of iman and if he had the right intention, that would be an amazing sadqa jariyah for him. Because like so many people, like it's multiplying, right? So these innovations that, if you really come up with an innovation which is revolutionary, just as a tungsten bulb was, or a wheel was, or something, which has really, or the internet now, right? All of these things, if you're done with the right intention, they will be beneficial. So this is not to be taken in a negative connotation that we shouldn't do anything. You need to be just mindful of what intention do I have for doing this action. So there's one muhasba before you do the action, and then there's another muhasba after you have done the action. And now you look at that, I had set to do this action with this intention. Did I do it with that intention, or was my intention overtaken by something else? You may start something with the intention that, I want to do this because I want to help that person. And then while you're helping, people start coming and they start saying, oh, mashallah, you're such a great person, you're so great. And now you want to help more and more people because you like being told that you're such a good person. So now your intention has been hijacked by shaitan and your nafs, and it has been overtaken by that because it makes you feel good. So after you're done an action, recheck, what was I doing it for? Was that ikhlas that I had before, was it still there, or was it deviated? And in doing that action, did I do anything wrong? Did I hurt anyone? Did I cheat anyone? Did I say something wrong? So muhasba before the action, muhasba after the action.